Hello guys, welcome to my channel Coding Bunch Musings. I am Manoj and today I am going to discuss my project Hospital API which I have created for Coding Ninja skill test. So let's see the functionality of the project. You can see this is the theme of the project and these are the required routes I have created. So let's see this route first. So here's the register a doctor route. We can register a new doctor from here. So let's register a new doctor. I'm giving raj@gmail.com. Name should be Raj. Password is 12345. Let's send this. The message it is showing us user created successfully. Our doctor is registered successfully. Now let's see the code for this. This is the main file index. This is the main file index.js. Here I'm importing all the necessary dependencies and creating port and this is the this is the main route index route. Here it is redirecting me to the doctors.js page. Here we are creating the doctor from here, this post route. I am this is the function for creating a new doctor. If user is already exists, then it will show a message username already exists. So let's try this once. It is giving us username already exists. Now let's see the second route, doctor login. We need same credential for this route, so let's copy this and log in the doctor here. Yeah, you can see here signing successful and we have got our token here. Now let's see the functionality of this code. This is the route here in the doctor.js bot login create session. We are creating session from here and this is the function in the doctor controller. If username matches with the password, user password matches with the password, then it will give us the token. If not matched, then it will show us invalid username or password. Let's see this once. Now you can see it is showing us invalid username or password. So it is working fine. Now we need this token to register a patient. We need to copy this for authorization. Now let's see, here we need to copy this token and paste this. Inside body we have to give the number of the patient. Let's I'm giving it number here and change this name. Let's make it John. And if I send this, so patient is registered successfully and this is the id we have got for the patient. I am copying this id and we will create the report for the patient from this is our next route also. So here I'm pasting the id in the params and for authorization we need the token again. So let's send this again and we will copy the token from here and in the error token section we will paste this token and we need some status. So we have already given the status here. These are the status: negative travel quarantine, symptoms quarantine, and positive admit. So I'm currently giving the status positive admit. Let's send this. So you can see here report is also got created successfully and this is the doctor id and this is the patient id. Now we can see the list of all reports of this patient. So we have currently only one report for this patient. Now let's go to our database. Now check uh, which user has multiple reports there. Then we will copy the id of that user and we'll see all the reports. So here you can see there are 15 reports and I think this user has multiple reports. I'm copying the id of this user. In the params I have to put the id and for authorization we need any doctor's authentication here. So in the authorization here I will paste the token and I don't need to do anything. Let's send. Here you can see this is the report with user id. This patient has that reports created by Dr. Radhe Govinda and below you can see created by Ayushman doctor. So these are all the reports and this is the list of list of status. We can check the reports by the status here. So currently we can check the status by travel quarantine. Whoever patient has the status travel quarantine, this will be shown in this section. And now we again need the token Yeah, I'm copying it from here, and let's paste this token inside this. So if I send this, so here you can see the travel quarantine status of, you can see the patient ID is 6CD9. Here the patient ID is also CD9. Here the patient ID is AA08. So these patients have the same status. So let's quickly see the all the functionality here. These are the patient controller. Here we are registering the patient with the doctor authentication also needed here. So, and this is for the creating report. From here we are creating the report, and this is for showing all the reports, and this is for the status. This is status controller, and these are the schemas I have created. This is the report schema, and this is user schema. And inside this is Mongoose. I'm connecting with my database. This is password for authentication, password JWT I have used for authentication here. And this is the all functionality of this project.